Hi, today I want to tell you about a wonderful online software that can create video content from your written content and without any problems. So if you need professional video content for longer audience retention, then InVideo is the way to go. I will tell you a few secrets that few people know about, but they are really very useful. In order for you to evaluate all the functions of the platform, we will leave you a link under the video to the official website of the company, and you can also use the code of a 25% discount, WITB25. Let's not waste time and get started.
InVideo is an online video maker that allows anyone to create and edit videos in minutes, even without prior video editing experience. InVideo helps brands and content creators create all kinds of engaging YouTube and social media videos to grow their subscribers and grow their business. InVideo's user base consists of small businesses, creative agencies, and large corporations. Social media marketers and news producers will find many videos editing templates and tools in InVideo that comes in handy for creating high-quality videos. With InVideo, even novice users can create stunning, professional quality videos without wasting too much time and money. With its user-friendly features, anyone can easily create videos that support their content strategy, whether it's increasing customer conversions or reaching more leads. One of the biggest benefits of InVideo is access to over 4,000 plus pre-built templates, over 3 million stocks, and over 1 million videos. The templates can be used as is, but you can get more out of your plan by making these templates your own. You can do just that by uploading your own photos and videos, or by adding your own splash screens or logos. The tool also has a selection palette, so you can incorporate your brand colors into your video. You change the font style, size or color, or upload your own font. You can use these templates to create brand introductory videos, 15-second ads, and even customer testimonials. Plus, it offers social media templates like Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook to make it easier for you to post regularly and increase brand growth. InVideo provides free photos and videos that you can use to enhance your content. Besides adding media to your videos, you can also use these free photos and videos in your blog posts or social media posts to further grab the attention of your target market. InVideo offers an automatic text-to-video feature that you can use to create videos for your articles and blog posts, or to tell a story through your content. Once you have text on the platform, you can use the editor to customize fonts and animations, among other things. You can also choose the accent of the voiceover for the video, which will help establish a better connection between you and your market. InVideo provides 24/7 live chat support and a video community of over 20,000 marketing experts and video creators to make it easier for you to take advantage of the platform's features. You can access the tutorials on the website itself. With InVideo, you can create any kind of video content, from video ads to listings and video presentations. For more control, you can switch to the extended timeline and work with layers similar to traditional video editing tools. With its intelligent video assistant, you can receive AI-powered suggestions to make your video even better. InVideo offers two flat-rate plans, $10 for the business plan and $30 for the unlimited plan. They can also create a personalized plan for your unique needs. Anyone looking to buy InVideo makes sense to use an annual plan, because creating video content for a digital business is not a one-off thing. To the ever-demanding algorithm required to create volumes of video content, and for this very reason, I would recommend that you use an annual package, which is actually quite simple. If you choose the monthly plan, you will have to pay 50% more than what you pay in the annual plan. Reason: if you choose the monthly plan, you just have to pay $10 per month. That's all. In a business plan, you can access and use 300 premium stock images and videos from Storyblogs and Shutterstock, and only export 60 HD videos per month. That's enough for a small business. If you need more, then the unlimited plan is best for you. With the unlimited plan, you only pay $30 per month for an annual. You can access and use unlimited premium photos and videos from Storyblogs and Shutterstock, and export unlimited HD videos. In order to start using InVideo, you need only two things: basic knowledge of English and registration on the site. It is worth noting that the service works with a Chrome browser. Registration is easier than ever. After filling in all the required fields, you immediately get access to your account. Immediately after registration, you will be returned to the main screen. There are several functions waiting for you on the start screen. In the upper left corner are categories, tabs with video templates stored into categories, content, additional information about the InVideo service, tutorial, training for those who decided to try the editing software for the first time. You can choose a training video or combine theory with practice and start learning right away in the editor. For those who are not working with editing for the first time, you can immediately select the desired function, creating a video on a ready-made template, adding text to a video, or working with a blank canvas. But first you need to choose the parameters of your future video, standard 16:9, square or vertical format. If you choose to work with a ready-made preset, then the service will immediately offer a huge number of templates suitable for various purposes, from a splash screen for YouTube gaming and SSM to advertising promos, and even templates dedicated to a specific day. You can also select only the video for the intro. When choosing to work with text, the service will also offer you a large number of templates with text content. Depending on the topic, they differ significantly. Finally, when choosing to work with a blank canvas, you will be offered some video tips. In any case, select a preset or click Make a Video and you will be taken to the editor's workspace with the appropriate settings. The loading screen, by the way, also gives tips on how to work with the service. After loading the editor, it may seem like there is too much in it, especially for a beginner. But don't panic, everything in it is quite simple and clear. In the middle is your video or template. All elements on it are clickable. On the right, all elements arranged in layers. When you select one of them, the Edit menu becomes available, in which you can set a variety of settings. On the left is the item selection menu. As you can see, there are a lot of them, and upon request the service will find a template, music, video or image that suits you. You can also upload your own files. They will appear in the Upload tab, and if necessary they can be folded into separate folders. You also don't have to worry about the safety of the video. The service regularly saves the video, and even if you left the editor, you can always go back and change something. All your videos are saved in the Projects folder and are also available on the main screen. InVideo is a truly free editor. The free plan lets you use all the features of the Ivy plus the entire template library of 4,000 templates plus the standard media library of stock images and videos for free without watermarks. Be sure to join Community Ivy so you can get feedback on your videos and learn from the 20,000 plus other marketers and creators who participate.